Welcome to my channel. I'm Emily, the Petite beauty blogger, and in today's video I'll be challenging myself to do my everyday 40-minute makeup in 10 minutes. If you haven't already seen some of my previous videos, you'll know that I do actually spend 40 minutes plus on my everyday makeup. I know that sounds crazy to some people, but for me, you know, I like to take my time and have fun. You know, 10 minutes to some people sounds really easy, but for me that is a challenge. Now for this challenge I have got all my makeup already lined up, because when I do my 40-minute everyday makeup I already have it lined up anyway, because I like to be organised with my makeup. I'm not an organised person, but for makeup I am, so it's all lined up with my brushes like I do every day. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to put on a 10-minute timer, and let's hope and pray this actually works. Just a disclaimer, loads of very talented makeup artists have already done this video, but I enjoyed them so much I wanted to do my own, and I hope you enjoy. So here's my phone, and on it I'm getting ready with the 10 minutes. So let's get started. So here we go. Got 10 minutes. I've just dropped my sponge, so that's going to be fun to pick up. Primer. Oh my god, this is stressing me out. I've never done my foundation so quick before in my life, so if it turns out like crap, blame the 10 minutes. Right. Again. I've lost my concealer. I've got to pick up my sponge, which I dropped, and then brush, because I've already lost about a minute and a half. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this, but think positive. Quickest blend I've ever done in my entire life. Right, that'll do. I ain't got time to blend too much, so now I'm going to do my powder. God. I'm dreading doing the brows next. Right, on to contour. Be too great or blend, because I've still got my nails to bloody do, and blush. Oh my god, this is insane. Stick that on. Oh, my nose, contour. Right, got 7 minutes left. I think the brows will slow me down, but we can hope and pray. Oh, God. So. God. I feel like these brows look good on camera, but they're going to look like complete wackos in real life. So, got 6 minutes left. I've still got lips, eye highlighter, eyeshadow still to do, mascara. Right, see what I can do. Moving on to shadow. This is just the right time you want to lose all your products. I ain't got time for primer today, so we're just going to have to deal with it. And I'm not about to make this look like Picasso. I've still got liner and everything to do. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh god. I've got just under 5 minutes left. Right, liner. And now mascara. Right. Highlighter. Right, we've got just over 3 minutes to go, and I've still got my lips and my setting spray. It's one side. It's two sides. One thing I forgot to do with the contour powder is to my jawline and my forehead. So, and we've got just under 2 minutes. Just over 2 minutes, sorry. Oh, and lips. And I'm gonna set up. What I'm going to do is I forgot to do my under eye shadow, so I'm going to have to go back in and try and get this done. Corner highlight. setting spray. I've got time, I've got just over a minute. I think I've got a bit more time. I'm just going to deepen up that nose contour. This is stressful. This is so stressful. That'll do. That'll do. Right, let's spray. And dry. Dry, 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 dry. Oh, I look a mess. Pause. Oh no, I did that. I had 21 seconds to spare. Oh no, this is a mess. The nose contour is bad. Well, I did it in 10 minutes, less than, but I don't think I'll, maybe 15 minutes next time. Oh my word, well that was crazy, that was an experience. I don't think I'll be doing that again, but it was fun to try and do it in 10 minutes. I know for most people that's easy, but for me that's no. I think next time I just need to remember, because I've got 21 seconds left, spend it on blending that nose and blending out the forehead. Mind you, the foundation application isn't so bad because it's actually blended down, hasn't got any harsh lines, and my lips are okay. They're not perfect, but yeah. And then, oh God, my eyeshadow horrendously needs blending, but you know, other than that, and my brows ain't too horrendous either, and I managed to have time to groom them. So that was a fun video that I actually enjoyed making. I am going to go off camera and I'm going to fix it because I don't like to waste makeup, so I'm not going to take this all off, but I am going to go off and fix it because I can't be having this makeup on all day. So, but yeah, that was really fun to make. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a bit different to my normal videos. I don't usually do a lot of challenges, but if you want me to do some more challenges, then comment down below, and as always, like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.